Indian troops and paramilitary personnel have committed scores of brutal carnages, most of them in the month of January in occupied Kashmir, according to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. In the 8 years starting in 1990, as many as 5 major massacres left hundreds of persons dead. On 19th January 1991, the Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force troops massacred 14 civilians in Srinagar's Magarmal Bagh area, and 33 years have passed, but justice continues to elude the massacre victims in the occupied Kashmir. Posters have appeared in occupied Kashmir urging the people to pay tributes to the martyrs and observe India's Republic Day as a black day. The posters pasted on the pillars, poles and walls in different areas of the territory said that the purpose of paying tribute to the Kashmiri martyrs and observing the Black Day is to register their protest against the occupation of their motherland by India. A B.Tech student from the occupied Kashmir studying in the Khanna, Punjab was found dead in his hostel room. According to Kashmir Media Service, originally from the Baramulla, the young student had been unwell, urgently taken to the civil hospital. The medical professionals declared him dead. Congress leader and in charge of the occupied Kashmir affairs of the party, Bharat Singh Solanki, has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has ruined the democratic atmosphere in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Bharat Singh Solanki, addressing a workers' rally in the Doda town, Jammu, lashed out at the BJP for the politics of vendetta, hatred and communal division for the vote bank in politics. Scores of socio-political activists participated in an interaction program with the prominent members of the Indian civil society in the Jammu today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the event was organized by the United Peace Alliance to discuss the wide range of issues and challenges being faced by the people of occupied Kashmir.